that'll do. So ultimately, I'll take this down. Be great when I'm busting for a wee, won't it? After a long session with lots of hydration. God, feel the echo on that once I've removed these. Ultimately, and that's going to be the hobby area. Ultimately, I might paint this galaxy like a galaxy. We'll see. Stretch my artistic wings. Ultimately, the electrician is coming and he needs to remove this and put a light switch in here somewhere, which I've just realised is going to have to be somewhere unusual now because I've covered the wall in acoustic panels. It's fine. It can be moved just slightly over here. These are just stuck on with spray adhesive, so I'll just have the light switch there or something, or even have the light switch over here. You can see as well, just to cover in this area, I've put in more acoustic foam, cut it to shape, so it just covers all these hard edges that aren't going to be covered by the nice thick sound dampening curtain. But yeah, he needs to remove this and put it over here somewhere, or put it further that way, or even I could have it down there, little light switch down there. And he needs to remove that and put that somewhere down here under the table somewhere, because this piece of wood is ultimately going to be the door, and the hinge will be on here. 3 hinges, 1, 2, and then 3 down there, and that's going to be what allows me access. And these panels that you see here have been cut to cover this piece of plywood, not plywood, that would be very flimsy, this piece of chipboard here. So once this is all removed on the 16th and moved somewhere else, and once there is more lights that do not straddle this wall, but there's a light fitting there and a light fitting over there. Oh, look, lens flare. I'm like J.J. Abrams. That means I can then have the door here with the blocks already attached to it, the audio panels attached to it, acoustic panels attached to it even, and that will be hinging this way, so I can just walk in and get right to work. So yeah, that's basically what I've done. It's recordable, absolutely recordable. It's just a matter of cleaning it up. Where are you? Where's your lens? It's just a matter of cleaning it up now, and doing a sound test tomorrow. I can move my equipment in. That's very exciting. Yeah, so the thing is as well, I had to kind of get the rug situation going and make this recordable fast, because I've got clients, existing clients that I am owe work to, and also I was asked by Brilliance Audio to take part in a multi-narrator book, and Brilliance Audio are pretty big dogs. They do like Audible originals. They're an Amazon company, and Amazon owns Audible. So I was extremely chuffed to be approached by them and asked to audition for something which requires a Yorkshire accent. It's 3 hours, 3.5 hours within a multi-narrator book. So I'm very excited to get cracking on that. So yeah, that's why I had to do not a rush job, but like really put my foot down and get this done and make it a recordable space, because I want to impress Brilliance Audio, obviously, because they produce some absolutely fantastic titles. and it would be an honour and a privilege to get more work with them. So keep your fingers crossed that it all goes well with my recording with them, and that this is all tickety-boo, and it's very recordable and workable, and there's no issues, and I can just sit down and get cracking on the script that they've given me. So yeah, that's basically it. Awesome. I'm so thrilled to be able to do some work for Brilliance Audio, and I can't believe this studio build is coming to the end. I quite like doing carpentry now. I've got loads of wood offcuts, so I imagine I'll be and I've got quite an impressive array of tools, so I imagine I'll be knocking some stuff up, some planters and stuff like that for our nice country garden. So that's the update, that's the vlog. Next time you see me, it might be the final one. I might have finished, I might not, but I imagine there'll be 2 more vlogs maximum before this project comes to an end. So thank you very much for watching, if you have. Thanks for sticking with me through a Herculean amount of waffle, and yeah, I'll see you next time. See you on the flippy dippy.